Welcome to English Fluency Program.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan, what's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I'm from Japan, what about you?
I'm from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris, and you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. And you?
I'm 24 years old, what do you do?
I'm a student, what about you?
I work at the hospital.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have an older sister, what about you?
I have 2 brothers.
That's nice, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi, what's yours?
I like pasta a lot.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat, do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Japanese and English, what about you?
I speak French and a little Spanish.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer, what about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like to play tennis, do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like cooking Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do. What's your dream job?
I want to be a scientist, and you?
I want to be a pilot.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you read newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you been to other countries?
Yes, I've been to Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to the United States and Canada.
What do you do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like exercising?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango, what's yours?
I love apples.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I like visiting art museums.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play guitar and piano.
What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I like going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What's your favorite weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy food.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream, what's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new foods.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like waking up early or sleeping in?
I like waking up early. What about you?
I prefer sleeping in.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like writing?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you prefer casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
I like casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
I love camping in the mountains.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like riding bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like reading poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
I enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
Do you like visiting zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing animals. Do you like fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was nice talking to you, Hannah.
Yes, it was great chatting with you, Milan.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.